Hey guys, Duchess Braids here and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you guys one of the most versatile styles where you can get two ponytails, two buns, two French braids, high ponytail, low ponytail, and a style without doing an actual sewing install. Stay tuned because this one is going to blow your mind, and how easy it is to get done is just going to be diabolical. So I have my model here, Naraya, and her hair is in its natural state. She just washed it and blew it out, and we're going to go with my infamous middle part. You guys already know I always start out with this part, so I'm going down the middle and I'm just parting her hair. I flipped it to the back so you guys can see the part going all the way down to the nape. So for this style, it definitely calls for a middle part because we're going to be doing such a versatile styles. And as I'm parting out, this right here is going to be my leave out. That's why I keep flipping back and forth over the end of my comb so that I can make sure I cannot see through to the end of my comb. And if I do see through it, I just add a little bit more hair to it because we don't want to see that. That's the leave out. So this is an easy way to find out, am I going to see the tracks or whatever I'm going to be using today, guys, to do this install. So I'm going to braid that out the way just very loosely. And then I'm going to end up going on the other side, sizing it up and doing the same exact thing. But first, let me do the hairline because that's also important to get the hairline out the way. So for the hairline, since the hair is going to be falling forward, I do still want to make sure it's not going to show because we're going to want to flip this up in two buns, even a high and low ponytail. We're going to want to do that. So I want to make sure the hair in the front is thick enough to where it won't show through as well. Now, before I go any further, I want to give a shout out to Betterlength Hair. They are sponsoring this video today, and as you can see in the beginning, the hair is spot on with my model's hair because we're doing the Kinky coarse hair today in its natural color, and this is about 20 inches long. Now, you guys know I love hair that's going to match the natural hair. I'm all for it, and I love that they're coming out more with these representative hair which matches our hair in its natural blowout state. So now I'm going to take this apart because this hair comes in 10 different pieces, guys, and it's just a perfect combination. And what I love about it is you see that fabric on it. That fabric is going to allow these clips to stay on much longer and be much stronger, as well as look at the clip, and it's double wefted hair. So this hair is really thick. It's a lot of hair, and it's going to give you a lot of, like, it's going to look like you have 4 or 5 bundles in your head when you're done. But it comes with 4 pieces of 2 clips, and this is to just give it versatility. It comes with 2 pieces of 3 clips, and then it comes with 2 pieces of 4 clips and 2 pieces of 5 clips, guys. A lot of hair. You're going to see throughout this process how full and just great the hair looks on her head. So now I'm going to go in with my foundation, and this foundation is just a versatile foundation. This is definitely a foundation that I would do for a sewing install. There is other foundations you can do and still achieve the same versatility that I'm trying to achieve today, but I'm just going to go in with a beehive foundation, and this is going to be a beehive on both sides, guys. So I'm going to start braiding it down, and I want the hair, especially around the perimeter, to be really thin because you don't want, when you get these clip-ins in, for it to be like a bulky install. So I'm going to definitely take my time and make sure this beehive foundation is really thin, and as thin as I can get with her hair, because she has thick hair. So I want to get it as thin as possible. I'm not adding any type of extension here to this because, like, we don't need it. And again, this is clipping, so you're going to be able to take it out when you want and put it back in when you want. There's so many different things you can do with clip-ins. I know I've been pushing this on my channel because it's absolutely something that I love, and I'm rocking right now, and I've been rocking now for like a month because it's just that great. So I'm just going to keep going around in a beehive style until it is complete. And then I'm going to show you guys, and then I'm going to go to the next side and do the leave out on the other side. All right, so that side is complete. Now I'm going to go to the other side and do pretty much the same exact thing. I'm going to part out the other half of the leave out, guys. So yes, I did the first half. Now I'm doing the second half, and this is going to go over that other side. And now I'm going back in with the second beehive. Again, if you're doing this on yourself, a beehive on yourself is extremely difficult. So there is definitely other ways that you can do this without doing a beehive, and I would just part them straight back. Honestly, I would leave out the same amount of leave out, and I would just part them and just braid it back. But now this is what I do to that final end. I'm just going to sew that down so that that final braid piece is attached and it's not like, out and about while I'm doing this clipping. So I went ahead and sewed that last piece down. All right, so this is how the foundation look, you guys. So very neat, very tiny, two beehives on both sides. You can definitely tell that this is going to be extremely versatile. So now this is how you clip the hair in. So I'm going to start with a piece that has 5 pieces. I'm going to put it all the way at the front piece of my beehive, and I'm going to just clip it along that first line. And then when you get to the back, you're going to go up because you do want it to curve up so that when you're just having the hair out, that the back just doesn't look thinner because it's most of your hair back there. So you want it to curve up so that hair falls over on the other side. So now I'm going in with the one that has 4 clips, and I'm going to follow the same line, give it a little bit of space, and I'm just pinching the hair with it and just clipping it on. So easy. Once the foundation is done, this is light work. And look how the hair is blending into her hair already. It already looks great, and it already looks super full. So now I'm going in with the clips that has 3 clips, and then I'm doing the same motion, and I'm just going down the line. And this is just going to allow me the versatility that you guys saw in the beginning. So I flipped it up, and it's okay to flip it upwards, guys. This is not going to affect the hair. So now I'm going in with one of the clips that has 2 clips. Remember, we do have 4 pieces of these, the ones that has 2 clips on it. So I'm going in with that right there. And then the last piece, which is half of the bundle, I'm only in half of the bundle right now, guys. And look how full that is. So I'm going in and I'm going to finish off that first half with the last 2 pieces, and this is how full it looks. Her hair is already blending in so well with this, and you see how the hair is falling forward. So when I straighten this out, it's gonna look so good because it's gonna fall forward. So now I'm gonna do the same exact thing on the other side. I'm gonna go in with the one with 5 clips, and go along her hairline on that first really thin braid, and I want it to fall forward, and that's what it's doing. And when I get to the back, I just go along the line and flip it upwards. And sometimes if the braid is too thick, I just kind of push the clips through half of the braid, and that's how I'm able to get it to stay down. But don't try to aim for clipping the clips on a full braid. Definitely split it in half so that your clips is not tugging on their hair, and it's just secured. You just want it to be secured. And I like to comb through as I go with my fingers just to make sure it's secure. And that is the final piece. Look how full that is. And she could definitely put this up in a high ponytail if she wanted and just go to the gym, do whatever. So now I'm going to go ahead and take out the perimeter braids. So now I'm unraveling the perimeter braids, and I'm starting with the one in the middle. I believe I've already taken out the front pieces. So now I'm going to try to put it in a ponytail just to see how would 2 ponytails look. And Mariah is a dancer, so never know how they'll want her to style her hair. So this versatility definitely works with her lifestyle. And she could just throw it in 2 ponytails, throw it in 2 French braids, throw it in 1 ponytail, or she could just have it straight going down. And I'm going to show you how I'm able to achieve some of these things. So this is the second ponytail and it already looks so flat, guys. I'm able to comb it out and as you can see, nothing is pulling off. I put it in this ponytail and voila, she has two ponytails. And I don't know if she's going to wear it like this or she can wear it like this on campus. She's still in college, so she could do whatever she wants. She could do it with these two cute buns. And of course, I haven't straightened her hair out. I just wanted to show you guys the versatility. So clearly it could be in its natural state and she could wear it like this. And this definitely, you cannot tell me this doesn't look like her hair. Like the blending is so amazing. The color, everything matches so well. And this is the two buns right here. And then now I'm just going to take that out and I'm going to see if I can do two braids. Let's test this. Let's test this style to the max and see if I can get two braids in it. And as I'm taking a ponytail out, I'm just still amazed at how fluffy and beautiful this hair is on her. And I'm gonna go in with two braids. I'm not trying to make them super professional. I'm just trying to just braid it lightly just to see if this is even possible and this is something she can wear. And of course, you're not seeing any the clips or anything because I left out enough hair to where you will not be able to see that. But we'll see when I straighten her hair if that is still the case. And yeah, I'm just doing this braid and I'm going to go on the other side and do another braid and just see how that looks. I just want to show you guys the versatility of this style so that if you want to try it on a client or if you want to try it on yourself, again, I know the braid down part could be a little bit difficult, but that's how the two braids look, you guys. And now look how this look, just taking the two braids out. So you can even put two braids in your hair, take them out and rock it like a fluffy curly look. I'm just now I'm gonna go in and straighten the hair. So you guys see it in its natural state. You see it when you braid it up or plait it up and take it out, how that would look. So now I'm just gonna straighten it to see if we can get it super straight. And right now I believe it's on about 410 or 430 for the weave, and on her hair it's about like 385 to 400. I'm talking about heat, guys. So I'm going in and I'm straightening her leave out right now. And as you can see on the top part, you cannot see the clip-ins at all. And it just looks super nice and flat. And this is how it looks blended in. All right, so now I'm going to take out all the braid. And again, look how beautiful that looks. Taking that braid out, it just looks so nice and fluffy. And I honestly would just rock it like this. I'm not going to lie. And then I went ahead and straightened the other side. And now I'm just going to slick some of her hair back and do a little slick back. I wish I was able to get footage of the high ponytail, but I'm absolutely sure that this could go into a high ponytail, low ponytail with no issues. So I'm using my wax stick. I'm going to go in and just get the flyaways. And I'm going to try doing the braid one more time with her hair straight, but I'm also not trying to ruin the fact that I just straightened her hair. So I'm going to do it so loose and just see how that looks. I'm just going to do one side, you guys. I just kind of wanted to see how that looks. And I'm going to go ahead and fluff it out to hide any clips that is showing. Because the front of her hair, once it's straightened, of course, it gets a little bit finer. So a little part of the clip is showing, but you could just fluff that out to cover it. It's no biggie. So this is how it looks finally with just straightened, and this is how full the back is. And you can move the clip around to satisfy your needs. So if you're going to wear it straight like this, you can always move the clips around in the back to not have your natural hair in the middle showing. And she can always have fun with this two ponytail situation here. Then I went in and curled the hair for you guys just to show some more versatility with it. But I'm glad I was able to show you guys the versatility of this style. And again, the clip-ins can be moved around in any which way you want. That's the beauty of having clip-ins. And this is the final look, you guys. This hair is from Betterlength's hair. This is their Kinky coarse hair in 20 inches, and it's in their natural color. All the information will be in the description box for you guys, so go ahead and check that out. And if you feel like you want to try this style, let me know in the comments if this is something you would try to do, because I just love the versatility of it. And I love that you can move the clip-ins around. That's the point of clip-ins, guys. You can make it how you want to make it. So thanks again for watching. Go ahead and like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you next time.